GooGoo. Ooh, a surprise egg. Empty. Where did it come from? Another egg. Blue. A blue surprise egg. What's in the egg? Shh. A frog. Gaga. Surprise eggs. Empty. Where did they come from? Another egg. Green. What's in the egg? Green slime. Gigs. Oh, some surprise eggs. Oh, it's empty. But where did they come from? Oh, another surprise egg. Silver. I'll try to reach it. Up and jump and jump. I can't reach it. I'll go and get something. Yee-haw! Up it goes. Up, pull, pull, pull. There. Come on, egg. Fall, fall. There. A silver surprise egg. What's that? What's that noise? I just have to open this egg. How does it open? It won't open. Come on, I've got an idea. I'm going to squeeze the egg open. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, so that was the noise. A helicopter. Here we go. I'm flying. I love to fly in a helicopter. Up in the sky. I love to fly. Whee! Harry. Wow, lots of surprise eggs. Let's have a look. They're all empty. But where did they come from? Oh, another surprise egg. A woolen egg. It's too high. I can't reach it. That's it, Hug. Come on, let's go.
Oh, no, Harry.
Right, I mean left. No, the other left. No, it's the wrong way, Hug. This way. Come on, we're going to the egg. Oh, careful, we're gonna fall. No, let's not fall. Okay, now don't move. I'm just gonna get on top of you. Okay. Yeah, going up. Steady. Stay still, Hug. I can't reach. Okay, I got it. Squeeze.
You're heavy.
Okay, let's have a look at what's inside.
That's a funny looking egg. I wonder what's inside.
Wait a minute. There's only one egg.
Oh, and we are two.
So who's gonna get the surprise toy?
Well, I want the toy.
Well, I want the toy too. I mean, I got it down, so I should have it.
You got it down because you stood on my shoulders, so I should have it.
It's mine.
Oh, it's mine. It's mine.
Stop
I want
the
it.
egg.
I want it.
Give it to me.
Oh.
What is it?
It looks like hay. Well, you can have it, Harry.
No, it's okay, Hug. I want you to have it.
Oh, Harry, do you hear that?
What's that noise?
I think they want the hay.
Oh, now we can't get to the eggs. And look, Hug, there's another surprise egg.
Oh, yeah, a golden egg.
I wonder what's inside.
Yeah, and maybe we can share it?
Yeah, we'll share it. But I think we'll have to wait until they finish eating. Up in the sky, I love to fly. Let's open the golden egg.
Oh, a ball.
I got it. I got the ball.
But we said we'd share.
So let's play. I got it. Now it's
Nice
your
one.
turn.
My turn.
Here we go.
Let's go.
Woo.
Yay. It's fun playing together, isn't it, Harry?
Yeah, it's the best. I'm so glad we got a ball in our surprise egg.
Hey, do you like GooGoo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.